Who needs a spoon?
You want to take the spoon and feed yourself? Let's put the bowl down. Let's just put the bowl down. Take the spoon. Feed it. Put it in your mouth. Put the spoon in your mouth. Open up. Ah, and put the spoon in your mouth with the food.
Oh, look at him contemplating
Eat
that
the
whole
food
bite.
on the spoon. Put it in your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth and put the food in your mouth. The spoon in your mouth.
On Baby Food by Barnaby Williams. It's like he's writing poetry. I don't know what that is.
Eat the food. Open up.
Good job! Yay! Good job. Oh my god, he's so gross. He's an unfortunate Indian. And Barnaby.
What's your plan?
I'm trying so hard not to laugh.
Where'd the food go?
Oh god. Who made
Open
this
up.
bowl?
Open up. That doesn't really work. The food's on the other side. Little piggy, little piggy.